children, we are going to talk about the contributions of the Native Americans. We'll talk about what they gave to the Western people. They gave the Western people a lot of things, and we are going to go through some of these things today. Some of the foods. One of the foods they gave them is squash, melons, the pumpkin, cucumbers, peanuts is another contribution. Turnips is another foods. Beets and mushrooms. The next group of foods that we will look at grow in the wild. The Indians gathered the berries from the mountains, by the streams, close to the rivers, where they could grow well. The berries that they found included several different types. The strawberry is one of them, the blackberry, the raspberry, the cherries, the chokecherry, and grapes. The next group of foods that we'll talk about today were foods that came from nature or that were prepared. Some of these foods include buckwheat, maple syrup, wild rice, vanilla, maple sugar, sunflower seeds, cashew nuts, and pine nuts. Some more plants that we can talk about are the blueberry, the huckleberry, tobacco, hops, and gooseberry. Let's continue with the plants that Native Americans ate. Some of these included edible gourds, and there were many types of gourds that they ate. The round, the long. They also ate light walnuts, black walnuts, hickory nut, pecan, the crab apple, and corn, the most important food for the Native American. There are 25 basic types in North and South America. This is a very important food item for the Native American people. Moving right along, we are going to talk more about the basic food groups. The potato is a very important food item. There are more than 240 types of potato in North and South America. And a lot of the children eat this every day. So this is a very important food for us. We also have peppers. There are also many varieties of peppers. There's the green pepper and the red pepper, a hot pepper, And we'll go on to the sweet potato and yams. A lot of you eat this during Thanksgiving. And last are tomatoes. And there's several types of tomatoes. The red tomato is the one that we eat most often.
We have gone over some of the edible plants here previously, and then to add a little more to it, we will go back to our language lessons and then review some of the words for the plants that we have learned. Now, the first off, we had the squash. Okay, if we isolate one squash, the word would be bihka. 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 Now we have more than one, or a variety, bihko. 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 Okay, here we have peanuts. Okay, a variety of peanuts. We say as Arapahoes, kana awu. Kana awu. Kana awu. Okay, if we were to say just one, we would say kana awu. Kana awu. Kana awu. Put them together, kana awu. Then the word for turnip. Turnip here would be, one turnip isolated would be nakacha. 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 Then we have more than one, or a variety of turnips. We would say nakacha'i. 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 Then the beet. Now we've identified an apple as ba'icha. In Arapaho, the beet is also called ba'icha. 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 More than one, ba'icha'i. 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 And now we'll talk about some of the berries. In Arapaho, the term for berries collectively, all of them put together, is bibinotno. 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 That's berries. Okay, then we come back over here. Let's go back to the strawberry. The word for strawberry in Arapaho is dahib. 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 Then we'll come on over and we'll say one of the more important berries to the Arapaho is the chokecherry. The chokecherry, chokecherries. Bina. 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 Then we have the grapes. Grapes, all of them together. Bane bihi. Bane bihi. Bane bihi. Or we might say ni bane bihi. Ni bane bihi. Ni bane bihi. Moving along here with our chart here, some of the plants here that are used as far as the names in Arapaho. The cucumber, we apply the name cucumbers as a group, more than one. Bihku. 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 And some of the products that are made, you might be familiar with here, it would be syrup. Here we have maple syrup. But syrup in general would be gohuya, gohuya, gohuya. Then we have beans. We have variety of beans. We have different types of beans here. Beans together, wani hi ho, wani hi ho, wani hi ho. Okay, some of the more staple foods that we have is the corn. Here we have a variety of corn. Bescoteno, bescoteno, bescoteno. Then we could come down to the tomato. We have a variety of tomatoes. If we need to isolate one tomato, yay no, yay no, yay no. Then we have two or more, or a variety, yay no, yay no, yay no. Then we come over to the potato and potatoes. One potato, one might say ja'a, ja'a, ja'a. However, in our language, it is more proper and more common to refer to them as more than one, as a group. Ja'i, ja'i, ja'i.